Oh, son, how are you? What's your name? Hi, Jonathan. What would you like for Christmas this year?
I want a plane, and I want a phone, and I want comic books, and I want...
Yep, move it along. Right. What's going on, big guy?
You know this is for kids, right?
Yeah, I get it, but I really want to grow my business this year and streamline my workflow, and I've been really good.
Okay. I see what you're saying. Well, I'm not sure I can help you there, but I might have a solution for you. Look to displays2go.com in their in-house workshop.
They specialize in commercial fixtures from brochure holders to charging stations to lecterns, just to name a few. They carry hundreds of items for various industries. Every item that comes out of the workshop is made completely in-house, handcrafted by real people.
Displays2go.com? That sounds great. Thank you, Santa.
Now, one last thing. Get off my set. Got kids waiting.